you may be asking yourself, why are we standing out here on such a beautiful day in front of a truck with a foam kit?
Yes, I was asking myself that actually.
Well, the owner called us up earlier today, I didn't tell you, and he asked if we do him a solid. Clean the truck up for him because he wants to go right to a car show from there. So, you know, he pays well.
He does.
I'm figuring, you know, we do him a solid, he brings us some more business. So the easiest way to do it is to use the MTM Hydro Kit 1 from Veloci.
So some people will take a pressure washer to their vehicle, right? And other people are like, no way would I ever take a pressure washer to my vehicle, but you want to still get it clean. Now this kit actually goes from the pressure washer back, including the hose, the spray gun, everything. Everything you need is right there in the kit, and it's a great way to use your pressure washer, but control the pressure and get your vehicle beautiful.
Well, these guys have thought it all the way through. Like, they give you everything inside, but all the little details, man. Like this foam cannon itself, it's got a patented nozzle on it, which allows you to do all kinds of adjustability. So you can adjust how much air gets drawn in or not, and that adjusts how much foam or how thick the foam comes out. You know, you can restrict the amount of water you use, so you're not using a ton of water to wash the vehicle and to foam it up. It's got a head on the front of it where you can adjust the size of the opening as well as the angle of it, so it's diagonal, horizontal. And did you notice the smell?
Yeah,
Did you get that?
I think the smell is
I put a little dab right here. Smell it.
Well, if you did, you smell great, because this could be, honestly, and I'm not just saying this, it could be the best smelling car soap I've ever smelled in my life.
I like to lather up with it when I get
how
home,
could
just
you
for fun.
not? Anyway,
It is
I get
cotton
sidetracked.
candy to a T.
It really is. That's better than cotton candy.
All right, I'll do the spraying. How about you fire up the
I'm on it.
power washer, okay?
I'm on it.